Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, Oppo announced their new smartphone, the Oppo A32, with a Helio P35 SoC, triple camera, and a 4230 mAh battery. Oppo has added a new member to its AC Dude Oppo A35, but it's not an entirely new smartphone. It's a rebrand. The Oppo A15s launched in India last December, meaning you get a Helio P35 SoC and Android 10 with a ColorOS 7.2 on the top. Like the Oppo A15s, the Oppo A35 also has a 4 gigs of RAM on a board, but it only has one storage option, 128 GB. Although it does not come with a micro SD card slot for a storage expansion by 256 GB. The Oppo A35 is built around 6.52-inch HD plus LCD with a water drop notch for the 8 megapixel selfie camera, and around the back we get a fingerprint reader and the triple camera setup, which is combined with a 13 megapixel primary, 2 megapixel macro, and a 2 megapixel depth unit. Under the hood, the Oppo A35 has a 4230 mAh battery, charging through a micro USB port at up to 10 volt. The Oppo A35 is offered in a 3 color and will be sold in China, but Oppo is yet to reveal its pricing, availability, and a detail. So this is the latest Oppo smartphone. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this new smartphone Oppo A35, which is rebranded the Oppo A15s? So let me know in the comment section, and make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.